Lesson 8, Session 3, page 177. In Lesson 8, we are learning how to compare two objects in a story problem and subtract using that comparison. Put your finger underneath the word how and read along with me. How many fewer sticks than skates are there? Ooh, that's a question mark. Buzz says there are 3 fewer sticks. Boom says there is 1 fewer stick. Who is right? How do you know? Let's try this again. Read it with me. How many fewer sticks than skates are there? So we need to compare the sticks and the skates. Sticks and the skates. Buzz says there are 3 fewer sticks. Boom says there is 1 fewer stick. Who is right? How do you know? Well, it looks like there's a lot of information here. I think we're going to have to count how many sticks there are and how many skates there are and compare them. Let's count the sticks. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sticks. How many skates do you see? Right. There are 4 skates. Let's compare, right? So is 3 more or is 4 more than 3? 4 is bigger, right? 4 is a greater number, so I'm going to give it 2 dots. Is 3 more or is 4 more? Well, we already said 4 is more. That means 3 is the opposite, and it's going to be less. I'm going to connect those dots. 3 is, there's only 1 dot compared to the 2, right? So 3 is less than 4. What if I did it like this? 4 and 3. Which one did you say is greater? 4 is greater. It gets 2 dots. 3 is less, so it gets 1. Connect those dots. 4 is greater than 3, right? So in the question it says, how many fewer sticks than skates? Well, we know that 3 is the sticks. How many fewer are there? Let's count or compare. Ready? There's a stick to a skate, a stick to a skate, a stick to a skate, and how many fewer sticks are there? Right here. There is no stick right here for that skate. So there is 1 fewer skate or stick. Buzz says there are 3 fewer sticks. Is that right? Well, we know that there are 3 sticks. Are there 3 less sticks? No. There's 1 less stick. This is the missing stick that goes to the skate, right? So there is 1 fewer sticks. So Buzz said that there were 3. He is not right. We're going to put a sad face. And we're going to X out Buzz. Boom says there is 1 fewer stick. Is Boom correct? Yes, we're going to circle Boom and put a smiley face. Boom is correct. Who is right? How do you know? Well, we said Boom, and we're going to write a sentence. So I want you to write the sentence too, please. Boom is, here's the word is right. I'm going to circle that word and I'm going to write it here. Boom is right. H-T, because. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Boom is right because, why? Boom says there is one fewer stick. There are not enough sticks for the skates. How many more sticks did we need? Boom is right because we needed what? We needed one more stick. Period. End of the idea. Number 3, apply it. Gary has 7 red flowers. He has 5 yellow flowers. How many fewer yellow flowers does he have? How many more than, how many less than, mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer, how many less, what's the difference, mean subtract. So we are going to compare 2 objects, 2 numbers, right? We're going to compare 7 and we're going to compare 5. Which one is greater, 7 or 5? Right, 7 is greater, so we'll put 2 dots. If 7 is greater, that means that 5 is the opposite, right? 5 is fewer or less than. We'll connect those dots. Let's read the statement. 7 is, because it has 2 and this side is 1, 7 is greater, right? Greater than 5. If I have 5 here and 7 here, we still have 7 is greater, right? And 5 is fewer, so it gets 1 dot. Connect those dots. 5 is, because there's 1 dot here and 2 here, what? 5 is fewer than 7. How many fewer yellow flowers does he have? Let's compare. Red to yellow, red to yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. How many fewer yellow flowers does he have? 1, 2, right? Remember, when we are comparing to subtract in word problems, we can use a subtraction symbol. And so we know when we have a subtraction symbol here, we know that the whole goes in front. Whole minus a part equals a part. And when we're talking about subtraction, we have to put the number that is the greatest number in front of the subtraction symbol. So if we look at 7 and 5, which one is greater? This is fewer, so it's not 5. This is greater. Right, it's going to be 7. 7 minus, what's the part we knew? 5 equals blank. That's the missing part. Let's see. Ooh, here we go. Whole minus a part equals a part. Count on from the part you know up to the whole. 5, 6, 7. Here's 5, 6, 7. How many are here that are missing? 1, 2. There are 2 fewer flowers.